What's going on, guys? I got a little bit of energy right now, but that's because I just woke up from a nap. But I have to go to the gym. It's been too long now since I went, where it feels that way, and I don't want to lose the gain. So, I got out of bed and I said, let's go to the gym. So that's what we're doing right now. My mouth, like, I have a bad tooth and the thing just hurting, and yeah, that's not really gonna stop me though. So we're just gonna go to the gym, take you guys along with me on a little drive, and see what we find on the highway. So if you guys are new, subscribe, like the video, because you guys probably don't even know, like, when you like a video and when you subscribe, when you comment and stuff like that, like, it doesn't necessarily like hurt you in any way. If anything, it pretty much just makes like the creator, like, it helps the creator out a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you guys fuck with me, like commenting and liking the videos and stuff like that, it helps me a lot. You feel me? Because then YouTube shows it to more people, and then we can grow our little family. But you don't have to, but I'm just, letting you know what actually happens when you do that, you know what I'm saying? So, it's free 99, you feel me? You don't gotta pay for anything. Just know that anything you guys do like that, it does help me a lot, so. But it's cool anyway, man. I'm still gonna be doing my thing, man. I'm still gonna be recording. I'm still gonna be, doing what I love, which is making videos. So, like or don't like, I don't really care. I'm still gonna record and post. Alright, let's go. God damn, nigga. Fuck. That shit's crazy. Oh, man. I really should have called my insurance today, because my teeth really hurt. It's crazy, bro. They talking about they don't want to cover my shit. I'm just like, bro, what do you mean? Like, and it's like $4,000 procedure they gotta do, apparently. And then I'm just like, bro, I'm not paying $4,000 for one tooth, bro. Just take that shit out. That's what I'm at. Like, I'm not paying $4,000 for that type shit. This Honda, what's up? What you got behind me like that? Like, you trying to press me or something? So I don't take that very, very lightly. Oh no, he's just exiting somewhere. Ella pasa por el bloque, un piripiropi. Ropi, piripiropi. Ella pasa por el bloque, un piripiropi. Those little Fusion cars, like the Ford Fusions, bro, they be mass sus, bro, because, a lot of cops like driving those cars. And most of them, they be like undercover in them things, bro. So it's like a little sketchy when you pass by one, because you don't know if it's a cop. What's up with this Tesla? You trying to press me, bro? I know you got a top speed of like 160, but that's all you got under that. Or like 150 or something like that. I don't think they can go any faster than that. Don't get me wrong, they're quick though. They quick up the line, like they mad fast, but once they get to a certain point, that's it. They don't go anymore. You know what I'm saying? This is actually kind of late for me to even go to the gym. Like, I usually, when it gets to this point in the night, I don't leave my house anymore. Like, it's too late for that. But I need to go to the gym. I don't want to, I feel like if I don't go to the gym, I feel unaccomplished. Like, I didn't really do anything throughout the whole day besides work, and work is not really an accomplishment for me. So work, like me going to the gym, recording a video, editing a video, getting it ready for the next day, that feels more like an accomplishment for me than, going to work. Work is just whatever. But, and so I didn't want to feel that way, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go to the gym, do a video, and now I feel better. You feel me? Now I'll go and get a good workout in. After that, I'm gonna feel a lot better, get a good meal in, and then just sit down, edit this video for you guys, and just, go to sleep. I don't even know. I barely be going to sleep that fast, but yeah, just edit the video, get it ready for its upload, and then probably play some video games, and then lay down, watch some YouTube, watch some Netflix, watch some movies, and go to sleep. I wanted to make this video earlier today, because it was very nice out, sunny and stuff, but I was mad sleepy. I don't know why. And so I was like, oh, let me take a little nap. That nap turned into the long ass nap. So not even a long ass nap, like a 2-hour nap. I think today's the first day of spring too. First, it's like the official day, official spring day is today. I think after 5 it turned into that, something like that. But yeah, not too shabby. You know, springs it rains a lot. Hopefully it doesn't rain a lot over here. Well, it should be good. All right. People be crazy, bro. Like, you just be walking, like, it's not even your light. And they just be a little, you know, a little focus. They say, whatever. They say, hit me or don't hit me. One of the two you're gonna do. Well, we here. Oh, I'm still sleepy, bro. But what does this guy want to do? Once I take my pre-workout and stretch and stuff, I'll wake up. But right now I'm mad tired, sleep. I think it's something crazy right now. Oh, look at that beautiful. I think that's a I know it's an M2 competition, but I think I've seen that car enough not that long ago. Literally today I saw it. Hey, what's up, hey man? What's good? Huh? You can have it, bro. Oh shoot! What the heck? Look at this.
Yo, you didn't see that before?
Nope, I never seen that car.
Bro, apparently there's like some famous DJ.
What?
Yeah, that goes to the gym here. Yo, you recording?
I am.
Hi, Mom.
He said, "Hi, Mom." Yeah, but I was just
Bro, that
doing
thing
a little.
is sick, right?
That thing is fire. What are you? Nah, who's the DJ? What the heck?
Yeah.
And you know, it would be mad hard to even know because people be mad normal, bro. And like, people don't even bother to ask like who it is either.
It's either he's really a DJ or he be selling something.
Yeah, he got money.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, life insurance.
Life insurance, right? Or he sell cars.
Yeah.
Or he rents them. One of them two. You just got here?
Nah, I'm leaving.
Oh, you're about to leave.
Yeah,
Oh.
you just getting in or you just recording?
I'm just getting in right now.
Bro.
I'm just getting in right now. I wasn't gonna come, but I said, nah, I feel unaccomplished right now. I feel like I need to go to the gym to feel better, so.
Bro, the best day, edit a video, upload a video, go to the gym.
Yeah, right?
That's it.
Yeah, that's how I was feeling. I was like, nah, I work, but that didn't really make me feel any good. So
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
if I go to the gym, I record a video, I edit, get it ready for posts and stuff, then I feel like I did something. You feel me?
So where you heading out to? Like, you're gonna wrap up the video over here?
Yeah, I'm rapping it right now. I was just.
Am I gonna be in it?
I was just, yeah, you will. I was just going. That's why I pulled up. I'm like, oh, hey man. Yeah, I was just.
You've been killing it with the uploads.
Yeah, but I'm trying, bro. I really am.
Just watch your video, like while I'm working, like I just like play them, just like watch.
In the back, he's like, oh, let me put mistakes. Let me see what stupid shit he said today.
Yeah.
But yeah, let me know, bro, so we can buy this thing. I've been waiting for you. I said, nah, I'm not buying shit until he buy it, because if you don't go, I ain't going to that by myself.
Nah, I'm going. I'm
so
going 100%.
what happened to the other one you sent me though? We doing that one too, or just
Indoor one? I think so.
I'm down, bro. Just tell me which one we gotta get and
see, like, I feel like, bro, your bread and butter is like POV.
Yeah, so
like,
if
I see your views, like your POV videos, I feel like are like your best thing, cause like it's entertaining. You know, your car sounds good.
Yeah.
You know. I
So
feel like for me, like people like the car shows and like the vlogs.
Yeah.
So like I'm trying to do more of that.
Do that, bro. I'm doing POV there, vlogging there, POV back, bro. I'm doing it all, bro. It don't even matter to me.
Honestly,
so
that's good, cause then you get like the.
I'm just recording, posting, bro, and just doing my thing, bro. That's pretty much it.
I gotta go, cause I gotta pick up my.
All right, sounds good.
But I'll text you.
All right.
If I don't text you, text me because I'll probably forget.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
So for tonight, so we can buy this shit?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, bet. Sounds good. All right, bro. I'll see you, all right? Huh?
This is the best spot to park.
Nah, I got my spot up there, fire. But because I take the elevator, I don't be walking down the steps like, yeah. Sorry. Alright, you guys, man, I'm about to wrap this video up, man, just like that, man. That's my boy A, man. Go check him on YouTube too. He's been making YouTube videos. I'm sure you guys seen him somewhere. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to his channel, say what's up, tell him I sent you. And yeah, man, we got some fire content coming out soon. We got a couple things planned out. Make sure you guys are here for it. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.